Hey everyone, Max here.
And I'm Loco. Let's get into today's lesson.
Loco, have you ever told a friend you've gone to Italy, but they looked at you like you were speaking a different language?
All the time. People often mix up I went and I have gone, and honestly, it's one of the most common headaches for learners.
It's true. Today we're going to clear that up once and for all so you can sound like a native speaker.
Let's start with the basics. I went. This is the past simple, and it's all about finish time.
Exactly. If I say, I went to the cinema last night, the action is totally finished, right?
Precisely. Because you mentioned last night, you have to use I went.
It's like a closed door. The time is over, the action is over, and we don't care about it anymore.
Think of it as a specific point on a map. I went to Paris in 2015. See? The date is finished.
So, if I say, I went to the store this morning, even if it's still morning, is that okay?
Yes, because for you, that trip to the store is a completed task. You're back now.
Now, what about I have gone, or I have been? That's the present perfect.
This is where it gets tricky. I have been to Paris means you have the experience of visiting it at some point in your life.
So, it's not about when I went, but about the fact that it's now part of my life story.
Exactly. You don't need to say in 2015. You're just showing off your life experiences.
Like saying, I have been to Japan 3 times. I'm counting the experiences, not the specific dates.
That's a perfect example. We use I have been to talk about travel history.
But wait, can I say I have gone to Japan?
Actually, no. If you say I have gone to Japan, it usually means you are still there.
Oh, that's a huge difference. So gone means I left and I'm currently away?
Yes. If I say Max has gone to the office, it means he is at the office right now.
And if I say Max has been to the office, it means I went there and I'm back home?
Bingo. You've got it. Been means you made the trip and returned. Gone means you're still at the destination.
Let me try. My brother has gone to the store to buy milk. He isn't back yet.
Spot on. And if he comes back, you'd say, he has been to the store and now he's home.
This is much easier than it sounds when you break it down like this.
Remember, past simple is for finished time like yesterday or last year.
And present perfect is for life experiences or situations that are still relevant to now.
Should we give our viewers a quick test to see if they were paying attention?
Let's do it. How about I visit London in 2019? What goes there?
That's I visited, because 2019 is a finished, specific time.
And what about I've seen that movie 5 times already?
That's I have seen, because we're talking about your experience up until this moment.
Great work, everyone. Just remember to look for the time markers to decide which one to use.
Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Use I went for the past, and I have been for your experiences, and you'll be golden. All right, that wraps up today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.